Hey guys, it's Brady back with another Duck Life video. And I'm just gonna try to beat it again, so it's fine. I'm just gonna really try to. It's gonna be hard, but I know. Okay, if you wanna watch my other video, I got pretty high. Not too high on levels, but I did at least upgrade my duck. And I haven't played at all from my last video. And it's gonna be really fun, but okay, let's see if I have any coins. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Wait, dang it! Dang it! Dang it! Dang it! Let me just. Oh yeah. I need to try my warning because last video I kind of got out. Oh my god! Bro, I clicked. That's kind of annoying. Like, oh my god, I clicked. Bruh. Okay. And if you really like WWE or Duck Life, if you want to see me play any games like this again, I will be happy to. Sorry if I stop talking for a little bit. It's just because my screen kind of turned black for like a second. Like, see right there. I'm not sure if that's happening for you guys. I'm just confused. And I got up to the amateur races. So, I mean, this is like my second video, so sorry if I'm a little bit like sound weird to you or anything. Yeah, I think I just got. Oh no, you didn't! You tried! But you literally couldn't. Wait, you have one. I have color crazy red. Oh my gosh, I can be a crazy red guy. Hi guys, that's Sean. He's my best friend. Because he's recording, guys. Yes, don't ask. Bobby taught me how to get a YouTube
I can't
channel.
record on here because I only recorded a video on that, but I can't get in there.
Playing?
I'm playing Duck Life.
I'm playing
Don't ask. I don't know what else to play. Okay.
I'm play Happy Wheels.
Zero.
Happy Wheels.
Zero.
You gotta go.
Fine. Maybe I will.
Fine, maybe I will, maybe I won't.
Okay. Thank you for putting me back to game. What the heck? Look, I don't care.
Hey guys, guess what? I'm playing Happy Wheels.
You are?
Yeah, I taught him how to play Happy Wheels.
On a Chromebook?
No, Brady, I figured out how to play Happy Wheels.
Did he get a Chromebook? Boy, how are you flying?
Boy.
Dude, how do you play this game?
It's easy. You just train your duck to race, and you just get coins, and there's seeds.
Are you even doing anything?
I mean, you don't really have to do anything. Fine, you can just let yourself go because there's no obstacles.
Ben, I'm Brady.
What?
Is this a family-friendly YouTube channel?
Yes. But he did
Daddy, when did you get a Chromebook?
Is gosh darn a bad word?
Yes, it's super bad. It's one of the worst in the book.
Look at this crop job on the border.
Yama.
Still has the like and dislike button.
Flip. Bobby! That's because I'm different than me. Oh my god! What the heck? Okay, there's something else. Oh! Oh, baby! Oh! Oh, yeah! Sorry about that. Got a little carried away there. Oh, wait. Oh my! Bro, quit it! I'm trying to record a video. Quit it, bro. Bro, quit it. I don't care. Bro, quit it. Yeah, I'm gonna get that coin. Give me that coin. Give me that. The hell? Why is there a Florida man? Don't ask why I said that. I'm sorry. Sweet. Got a little carried away. Oh my gosh, I just did research. Of course there's an ad. Why? Just no, why? I don't care about 30,000. I mean, 300,000. I don't really care.
Got the bottle.
Put it, bro. I'm trying to record a video. Sorry if I say bad words. I just. No. Maybe if you wouldn't like do that crap, maybe I wouldn't. You can move your duck in this. That's what annoys me. Like, just let me know. Please. We'll go in the menu. I don't care. I don't care. Oh my. Doing on Greystone Plays. Dang.
Man.
Darn you. No. I'm literally mad. I'm not even physically mad anymore. I'm just mentally mad, but I do have opinions. Please subscribe, like the video. This is the perfect time. Because watching me fly literally is just pure I thought I'm on the video if you I might be doing some like challenge videos, like 24-hour challenge videos. I don't really care whatnot, and I might do reacting videos. 1,000 likes, and I will do that. But it'll probably be hard for me to get 1,000 likes because I am literally a kid. Stop! I'm trying to. And I'm gonna try to work on some merch. I might make some, but probably not. It'll be a while. It'll definitely be hard for me to make merch, but I promise I will try to. Oh, this is quite annoying.
I just wondering.
I don't care. I generally don't care, Ben. Let's go. I went up 11.
178.77 seconds.
Oh, yo.
You did that. No, you can do that.
Yeah. Yo, Jabbar. There's one YouTuber that I totally recommend to you guys. It's called The Odd First Out. He's really good. I really like him. And I really recommend it for you guys. I mean, it's so good. I don't know why you wouldn't. Amateur races, leap of faith. Yeah, I know. How do I not fly faster than these guys? Oh my gosh. Bruh. How much flying do I have to floppy and do? Like, GG. Boy. Dreamings. Boy. When there's a dog, guys, repeat after me. When there's a doggy in the streets, and he's making the feet, you say, yeah, no brick in the streets, Like, when there's a doggy in the streets, like a brick in the streets, you'll say, yeah, no brick in the streets, yeah. Don't ask why I get quiet for a little while. It's kind of hard to play a game and talk. I don't know why, but now I know what YouTubers mean, but it's hard to play a game and talk. I definitely know what I mean. Oh yeah, get that coin. Yeah, get that coin. Oh, baby, Slippo. Oh, shoot. That's a rat. Oh my. Gosh. Okay, bro, quit it. Just quit talking. You said you weren't gonna talk. Either go in your room or don't talk at all. I'm trying to record a video. And don't you mock me. Sorry for that. My brother's being kind of annoying right now. Just a little bit though. Oh my gosh, why is there another ad? If you see me looking down, it's because there's a timer down there. It's like, yeah, like, it tells you how long your video has to be. So I'm just been looking down there a lot. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna get up to 100 flying. I don't care. You don't know what my life is created. You don't know. If I go up 20 levels for this, I mean, I'm gonna be surprised. I'm gonna be surprised. Oh my god. I'm just got a lot of coins in that one room. Like, and I'm probably gonna play some Happy Wheels. Who knows? I don't really care. I don't really give a crap. What would you? Sorry for that. Okay, please say that's enough. This isn't enough. I don't know what it is. I literally got it up to like 90 or something. Oh yeah, that is enough. Don't even try to. Like 150 coins you have a month. Oh yeah, that's what I be talking about. That's what I be talking about. That is what I be talking about. Let's go. Don't even try to. Yeah, eat that. Yeah, eat that. Yeah. That's it. It's a crazy red. That looks like crazy red. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Don't ask why. I'm saying no. Gosh darn you, Charles Mons. Don't ask. Don't ask. Daddy. Don't ask why I'm saying the Coyotes. And you should definitely just check out Ben's channel, but this is a little tad bit more entertaining, but his channel is pretty good though. I kind of recommend it, kind of. No, you recommend my all the way. I really don't though, so it's kind of hard to say that. Oh my god, it's running over my face! Oh god! Why me? Ah, god! How dare you! Oh god!
Bulls. Bulls.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, why did I just? Oh my god! Don't even try to face me again. Like, don't even try to. Go ahead and stop trying. I know I'm gonna lose, but I'm just gonna try. Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah. Making the streets sing. Yeah.
So, I have 0 coins. Sorry about that. About 30 seconds left in the video. Don't know what to do. If you want me to make a part 3, I will gladly. And recommend anything for me, Happy Wheels, Minecraft, reaction videos, I don't really care what not. And I just really like having YouTube. And I will see all of you in the next video.